Hello friends and followers. So here's the Central Electronics 100V all fired up. Electro voice microphone on here. I've been testing AM for sound to see how it works, and there's the NC303 receiver over here on AM on 80 meters. Anyway, I think I'm around 3885. There's some people talking on there, but I'm on a dummy load antenna here, just testing. So let's see how the AM sounds. AM testing, KB3W testing, AM. It has a very low sound to the AM. It's very bassy. KB3W test AM, 1, 2. Testing AM on a small carrier here. Must be a 5 watt to 10 watt carrier. No, it's worse than that. 7 watt carrier. Testing 1, 2, 3. So you can watch the AM on the scope on this thing to see if it's reasonable. And you want this thing to have a closed left-hand side that goes to a point. AM testing, AM testing. So that looks like good AM. I just wish I had more power. So the power is cranked all the way. Here's the AM carrier level here. I could crank that a bit. Let's give it a small crank here. Then I'll take the modulation down. AM test, AM test. There's more carrier like that. And maybe that's okay. That's about, well, it's not much. 12 watts carrier, 1, 2, 3. So most of the rice boxes run 25 watts carrier. Let's see what that sounds like. Crank it up a little more. AM testing, that's too high. That's going to be like a 30 watt carrier. AM test, there's about 25 watts. AM test, 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. Then for a sideband test, you're gonna make sure it's null carrier. Take it over here to null. Okay, it's null. It's minus 50 or 60, so sideband's good to go. Sideband test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's some sideband. Let's put the radio in sideband mode, and we'll go to a wide setting here. So we're gonna go wide, very wide, sideband. Go where nobody is, right about there. Okay, let's go get a carrier going here and find ourselves. So we'll go to CW, carrier, and go down in frequency. I don't hear myself. I'm going up. There it is. Okay, sideband, lower. There it is. Just like that. Let's see how we sound. Lower sideband testing, 1, 2, 3. Lower sideband testing, 1, 2, 3. Lower sideband test, 1, 2, 3. Lower sideband testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't sound bad. It has a bit of a carrier in there. There's always a bit though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. KB3 whiskey on dummy load testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it has a nice rich sound to it. I think I would need to do some on the air testing with this thing to see how people like it and to see how it sounds on an SDR KB3W test. And that about does it. I still can't figure this mic out, how to get to unkey. Well, let's go radio off like that and unkey the mic later. So that's my test of the rig. It works well. I wish I could get this filter figured out. Looks like I'm still recording here. Good. Yeah, I wish I could get this audio filter figured out, get it kicking up a little bit. I'm not sure what's normal or not. I feel that the modulator is still not getting enough RF into it or something to get it to kick. So this thing's close to being good. If I could get the power supply down in voltage with some resistors, that would finish this thing off. It would work perfectly. So it's very close to working perfectly. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.